excited? Me too. They said weather is too bad to do both. I think we were up here and he said, yep, no, they can do both. So we're very happy. Maybe they always say that actually, to make people more happy, but actually it does. Nice. It is massive. Reckon we were pretty lucky.
Beef dish with poke bowl and something bagel.
Welcome to the West Coast beach. It's a bit crowded today, but I think it's alright. Come on, man. Come on. Maybe we've got low tide. Extremely low tide. Oh, come on, man. Now we're talking. Woo! Right, gold dredge. I really need to look up what a dredge is. Probably something to refine gold, I guess. It's definitely something big. Used to be. I mean, it still is big, but you know what I mean. This is just taking so much longer on these pedals. I said from the beginning that I don't like the pebbles, but we did, and now I said, oh, it's probably just going to the beach. And this is the lagoon. Fisher, how deep is the water? It's only 20 more minutes to the minus tunnel. So I really wonder why the water is so dirty here. And I assume that this is iron from the leftover minerals that they used to dig out here. Yeah, that's what I assume. Someone can do some research on this one. So cute, these fantails. There's two now. Been following us for the last 5 minutes. So cute, so reassuring to have some company. This is it. This is the train tunnel, minus tunnel. Hey guys, is it safe to go there? It says no. Saying yes. Okay, let's just make... Oh! That's a yes. Very safe. There's more and more coming. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. There was some behind me too. So I think we're on 6 fantails now. Is that a hammer shell? Lobster? Lobster shell? There he is. The only mushroom that we saw on this entire 1.5 hour trek. Interesting that there's such a big stretch without any mushrooms. First time actually that I've witnessed that. We've got 1 minute and 6 seconds left on this SD card. So almost snuggled up. It's finally raining, which is very nice. Eduardo is clean tomorrow morning, hopefully, and there's much less sandflies. And another good note is that the other SD card is now done cutting, so that's exporting right now, so we can swap the cards in the morning. Good night.